Hello viewers, welcome to Senior College Mathematics. In this series of teachings, we have college geometry, plane and circle. Lesson 34, selected problems from WAEC, part 23. Example 163. In the diagram, MNPQ is a circle with center O. MN equal to NP and angle OMN equal to 50 degrees. Find Roman figure 1 angle MNP, that is this angle. Roman figure 2 angle POQ, this angle. For us to get the first angle, we have to consider triangle MNP. In that triangle, the base angles are equal because it is isosceles triangle. For us to get this angle, one, you have to consider getting this entire angle, then you get this angle. When you subtract, you get this other angle. For us to get this entire angle, we have to consider the quadrilateral PQMN, in which this angle and this angle, they are interior opposite and their sum is equal to 180 degrees. You have this result. Now, angle NPQ becomes 180 degrees minus 50 degrees, and that is 130 degrees. If O is the center, then MOQ is a diameter. So this angle is in a semicircle and it is equal to 90 degrees. So this angle that we need becomes 130 degrees, the entire angle minus the angle in the semicircle, 90 degrees, and you have 40 degrees. So this angle 40 degrees, this angle also 40 degrees. Base angles of isosceles triangle. In triangle MNP, if you add the three angles, the sum is equal to 180 degrees. You replace the base angles respectively, you have this result. Therefore, angle MNP is equal to 180 degrees minus 80 degrees, and that is 100 degrees. Roman figure 2. For us to get angle POQ, you need this obtuse angle, and that can be obtained when you get the reflex angle. We have the reflex angle, so we start with that. The reflex angle MOP. The reflex angle MOP is equal to 2 times angle MNP. That is this angle that we obtained in Roman figure 1. Angle at center is twice angle at circumference. The reflex angle MOP becomes 2 times 100 degrees. That is 300. That is 200 degrees. Now, the reflex angle plus the obtuse angle, the sum is equal to 360 degrees. So you have 200 degrees plus angle MOP, that is the sum is equal to 360 degrees. Angle MOP is equal to this, and that is 160 degrees. The obtuse angle plus this other angle, the sum is 180 degrees. You have this result, and angle POQ is equal to 180 degrees minus 160 degrees. That is 20 degrees. Example 164. In the diagram, AB is a tangent to the circle O and COB is a straight line. If CD is parallel AB and angle ABA equal to 40 degrees, find angle ODE. That is this angle, just this angle. Now, we were told that CD is parallel AB. For that reason, this angle is equal to 40 degrees, alternate angles. Now, OC is equal to OD. That means triangle COD is isosceles triangle. For that reason, the base angles are equal. If here is 40, here becomes 40. You have it in this form. That is the first case. Then this is what I just said now. Now, the entire angle here is angle in a semicircle because O is the center, then COE is a diameter. So you know this angle to be 40, the entire angle is 90. To get this angle ODE, it becomes 90 degrees minus 40 degrees, and that is 50 degrees. Example 165. In the diagram, O is the center of the circle PQRS, angle PQR equal to 72 degrees, and OR is parallel PS. Find angle OPS. That is this angle. Now, OR parallel PS. So this angle is interior, this angle is interior, and their sum is 180 degrees. So to get the required angle, you need to get this angle, and it is an angle at center to this angle at circumference. Therefore, angle POR is equal to 2 times angle PQR. Angle at center is twice angle at circumference. Therefore, angle POR becomes 2 times 72 degrees, and that is 144 degrees. You come here, this interior angle and this one, you add it together, the sum is equal to 180 degrees. You have this result, and angle OPS becomes 180 degrees minus 144 degrees. That is 36 degrees. The correct option is D. Example 166. In the diagram, MP is a tangent to the circle NQR. Angle PNQ equal to 64 degrees, and RQ is equal to RN. Find the angle marked T. For us to get this angle, we need this angle, so that the sum of the 3 angles on the line is equal to 180 degrees. This angle is equal to this angle, angles in alternate segment. Because RQ is equal to RN, you have it that the base angles are equal. So once you get them, you add the 3 angles on the line and you get the value of angle T. The solution continues. We start by getting this angle, NRQ, which is equal to 64 degrees, angles in alternate segments. In triangle NRQ, the base angles are equal, denoted by S. In that triangle, if you add the 3 angles, the sum is equal to 180 degrees. 2S becomes 180 degrees minus 64 degrees, and that is 116 degrees. Therefore, to get S, divide both sides by 2. S becomes 58 degrees. So here is S, one of the base angles. So on this line, if you add the three angles, the sum is equal to 180 degrees. You have it in this form, and T is equal to 180 degrees minus 122 degrees, and that is 58 degrees. The correct option is B. Example 167. In the diagram, PQRS is a circle. Find the value of S. Solution: PQRS is better described as a cyclic quadrilateral. Now, this angle S plus this angle, the sum is equal to 180 degrees. You have the reason. You have 2S plus Y equal to 180. Let's call that equation 1. This angle plus this is also equal to 180 degrees. Same reason. Now you have S plus 2Y equal to 180. You transfer this one, it becomes plus. So S plus 2Y is equal to 210. Let's call that equation 2. You have to solve both equations simultaneously. Now we are to get the value of S. It is better that you eliminate Y so that you can get S directly. In both equations, let's consider Y. You have 2Y here and you have Y. For us to eliminate Y, it needs to have the same coefficient in both equations. To achieve that, multiply equation 1 by 2. So if you multiply through equation 1 by 2, you have 4S plus 2Y equal to 360. Let's call that equation 3. Now we are considering equation 3 and 2. In order to eliminate Y, we have to subtract equations 2 and 3. Equation 3 first before equation 2, term by term. So you have 4S here minus S, that is 3S. 2Y minus 2Y, you have 0. 360 minus 210, you have 150. Divide both sides by 3. S is equal to 50 degrees. The correct option is A. End of lesson 34. Thanks for watching and learning. Don't forget, watch out for more from the voice of Petakus. If you are not safe, your life is in crisis, your life is in trouble. To avoid all of that, you have to give your life to the Lord Jesus Christ and confess Him as your Lord and personal Savior every day of your life. If you are saved already, congratulations. Live righteously and be prepared, because on the last day, some will be taken and some will be left. Be good to yourself. Stay out of trouble. Study your books. Do the needful at all times. Flee every appearance of evil. Don't defraud others to make money. Find something good and genuine to do with your hands and your brain, and the Lord will bless you. Goodbye and stay tuned.